Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's a new weekend, and what's the weekend without a good reset, guys? So in today's video we're gonna be resetting the house, refreshing and getting ready for the new week. And of course, you guys know I love keeping you guys on your toes when it comes to maintaining a clean and elevated home and lifestyle. So let's just go ahead and get started. Listen guys, I want to be your safe space when it comes to, cleaning, making sure your home is kept clean, because it's kind of, I want to be your inspiration, your motivation, because gone are those days, when people have kids. I feel like, sometimes people always use the fact that they have kids, right, to keep a dirty home. And like I always tell you guys, especially if you follow me on Instagram, I always say that it's a blessing, of course, for us to have kids that can dirty up the house. But the good thing about it all is you having a routine where, okay, you have a designated area where the kids can play. Of course, the kids can run up all over the house, with their toys. There is supposed to be a designated area for the kids' toys, for them to play, and that helps you maintain a clean home. It's funny how sometimes when I post, especially for people who do not follow me, right, they'd be like, oh, the house is clean. I'm sure she doesn't have kids, right? And then when they probably watch 2 or 3 of my videos and realize I have 3 kids, they're like, oh, okay, they have nothing else to say. And like I was saying, gone are the days people just take advantage of the fact that they have kids to just be dirty, to just keep a dirty home because they have kids. I mean, come on, your home is your sanctuary. Your home is like your safe space. Your home is like somewhere you come home to after a very hard day, after, working and all, and you want to come home to a clean and elevated home. And like I always say, it's not about the space, it's about you. Because even when I was in a 2-bedroom apartment, I still kept a very clean home. Nobody would know that house was a 2-bedroom apartment. So it's not about how big your house is, it's about you maintaining a clean home, right? So as you guys saw, I'm sorry I digressed, I just went in and started talking. But anyways, you guys, I got home, and of course it's the weekend. There's a lot of tidying up to do, a lot of cleaning, a lot of laundry, and of course, you guys know, in the midst of all the working and all, I love my self-care. I love taking time to just care for myself also.
Should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do.
I feel like the key should be living a balanced life, because in one of my vlogs I was telling you guys that you have to enjoy the moment, because whether you're working, whether you're traveling, whether you're anything, guys, like you have to enjoy the moment, because as you guys know, the months are going by, years are going by, and you just have to find joy in whatever it is you're doing. And for me personally, a lot of people say I have OCD, which I don't but I absolutely love having a clean space. I feel like another therapy of mine, like another self-care of mine, is just walking around my home and realizing that everywhere is clean apart from the kids' room. Their rooms are for them to keep clean, guys. But yeah, it's therapeutic for me to, keep my home clean, walk around my home and see that everywhere is like clean, So basically, as you guys can see, I went ahead and vacuumed up. Of course, vacuuming is something that I do literally every single day, because, there's always movements in the house. And after that, I picked up this Swiffers. I went to Target on my way back home, so I picked up up Sweepers for my staircase. And of course, I washed out 2 or 3 dishes in the sink, and over here I'm just cleaning out my sink, guys. Another way also I love to keep a clean home is to make sure that there are no dishes in the sink, and also to sanitize my sink. Maybe I would say every other day. You know, I love to use my baking soda, my what is it called, my vinegar, to clean my sink. It helps to kind of degrease and you know, just liquefy anything that is on your pipe. So once I went ahead and I cleaned my sink, I'm going on to arrange our family room. This is like a space where we spend majority of our time. This is where we watch our movies. Like, it's like the place where where we can just relax and throw up and throw down and have toys all over the place. But even in the midst of that, I also love to keep it clean. The kids know that after playing, after using your toys, you should pack up your toys and keep them where they're supposed to be. Also, of course, I decided to finally get rid of these flowers. Like, I had these roses in the dining, and as you guys can see, these flowers, it was literally crying. It was worn out. It was dead, you know. By the time I got to it, it's been almost a month, right? So I decided to go ahead and get rid of it, and also wash out the vase, you know, I used to store to preserve the flowers. So I'm just quickly going ahead to wash these out and also finish up my sink. I didn't degrease or degas the sink yet. So after I just wash out this flower vase, I'm just quickly going to go in with my baking soda, with my vinegar, and try and use it to kind of clean out my sink. It's very, very important, especially like when it comes to getting rid of smell from your sink. If you don't have I've forgotten what it's called. But yeah, it's very, very good when it comes to getting rid of smell from your sink. As you guys can see, once you go ahead and pour your baking soda in there, you pour your vinegar, it just it brings out all the junk in the sink. Look at this, guys. It's just gonna start bubbling and bringing up everything. It helps to degas your pipe. It helps to, you know, make sure that your pipe is clean, especially if you have I remember in my former home, once it's around summertime, I love to do this a lot, because you guys know, fruit flies, gnats, they love to climb into the house from the sink. So you want to always make sure that area is clean. And once I did that, I'm just quickly going to go ahead and just clean out my dining table, because of course I had that flower there for almost a month. So I just wiped down my dining table, put some dining runner, some table runner, and a fake flower, and that's it.
Be honest, I know you want it. Put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
So if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button below, because it's always funny, guys, when I watch my videos and I see that I barely get up to 1,000 likes. On top, almost 800,000 subscribers. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, guys. I'm not sure, but anyways, it's laughable. That's why I just find myself laughing. But please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly, it just takes you less than a second to just hit that like button. So please hit the like button if you're enjoying the video. And of course, next, I'm gonna quickly just do this bedding laundry. You know, of course, when we're talking about resetting, refreshing, you also want to make sure that your bedroom is clean. And I'm just quickly gonna toss the bedding inside the washing machine. And yeah, guys, once I'm done with that, you guys, I mean, it's you just have to bring out, let me say, an hour or two of your weekend to make sure that you refresh, because it just sets the tone for the new week. I mean, it feels so good when you're entering a new week and you know that, okay, my home is clean. Like, your home should be the last thing to bother you, right, during the week, like during the work week. So making sure you meal prepping is very, very important. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see more meal prep on this channel. The last one I posted, it didn't really do well. It's, you know, it's less motivating when you spend hours filming. Like on a normal day when I clean, it probably takes me an hour or two, but then when I'm filming, because I have to keep carrying the camera up and down, it takes me not less than 4 to 5 hours, right, to film and then to edit. And it's not encouraging when you post and you barely get views, guys. So anyways, you guys, once I was finished, I went ahead and I ordered some pizza because I couldn't meal prep. And as you guys can see, it's already late out there. It's already late. It's probably around 8 o'clock or so. So I decided to order pizza for the family. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, kick back, relax, probably watch some movies. There is a new season of Wednesday, you know, on Netflix. So I'm just going to relax, have some me time, you know, some movie time. And yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you draw some inspiration. Like I told you guys, I love posting like weekend reset, weekend refresh, because it helps, you know. It's kind of, I love to inspire you guys. I love to motivate you guys to go ahead and clean, right, so that you have a good clear space, you know, for the new week. But yep, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and definitely look out for more videos this coming week. Until my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please.